Bonjour, I am Faye. Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole Faye. In this lesson, we are going to learn about two digraph that is really important. They are digraph z and digraph z. Z. It sounds like that I'm telling you about Chinese tone. No, these are two very common digraph in Haitian Creole. People who are not born in Haiti have a tendency of saying those two words incorrectly. Timoun and dimanche. They tend to say Timoun, Dimanche. I'm not making fun of you guys. I'm just trying to teach you something in order to correct that little mistakes. In front of E, the letter or phoneme D changed into a digraph. It's become Z. So, time you see E followed by D, you would say dimanche. Dimanche. The same goes for T. In front of the letter E or phoneme E, the letter T, phoneme T, turn into a digraph T. T. Timoun. The phoneme T become the digraph T. Timoun. T. T. Timoun. Not Timoun. Petit. The phoneme T and D change into a digraph in front of the phoneme E. Dis-moi, not dis-moi. Dis-moi. Tell me. So, this is it for today. If you like this video, give us 2 thumbs up. If you don't like it, give us 2 thumbs down. Till next time, goodbye.